Hi, lovelies. I'm your celebrity mathematician, Omale Jeff Jojo. I've brought another food today, and as usual, we must wash our hands before we start eating. And washing of hands is what? Solution. You got it right. Solution. Good. Now that we've washed our hands, let's start eating. Zero point 0.18 multiplied by 12.5 over 0.05 multiplied by 0.2. This is a good meal. Now what we do, let's now read the instruction before we fire on with the food. Evaluate without using mathematical tables or calculator. So in this place, we are not using calculator and we are not using mathematical tables. Let's go. What I want to write it like this: 0.18 multiplied by 12.5 over 0.05 multiplied by 0.2, all raised to power of 1 over 2. Yes, somebody will ask. I put it like this because the square root is the same thing as power 1 over 2. If it is cube root, it will be 1 over 3, power 1 over 3. I don't want to be writing square root with it, so I just want to do it like this. This root is what I put as 1 over 2. Good. Let's continue with the food. So this will now give me 18 over 100. Do you know why? I have two numbers after the decimal point. So it will be 100, 2 zeros, multiplied by, this one is one number after the decimal point, it will be 125 over 10. Yes, then I write long division like this. I draw it. So it will now be 5 over 100 because there are two numbers after the decimal point, multiplied by 2 over 10 because there's one number after the decimal point. I have not forgotten my square root, which is power 1 over 2. Good. Now, the food, we have eaten the food already. So nobody should eat more than the other. You can now agree with me that this thing is like this. Look at it, the way we can finish this food on time. To be 18 over 100 multiplied by 125 over 10 multiplied by 100 over 5 multiplied by 10 over 2. I've not forgotten my root, which is 1 over 2. Yes. So this will now give me what? You see, there's 100 here. This can go with this. Right? 10 can go with 10. Good. Now 2 can enter this. I have 9. And this one here, 5 into 8, I have 25. Then this one I have 1. You got the gist. So this will now be what? 9 times 25 raised to the power of 1 over 2, which is the square root. Now that I have reduced it, it's at this point I can use the square root easily. Because I don't like drawing. I'm not good at drawing. So I can now draw because it's now simple for me to draw. So this will now be what? The square root of 9 times 25. And you know that this thing, if we have it like this, we can as well split it. Because if we multiply it to it, it will be cumbersome for you to find the square root. This is the same thing as what? Root 9 multiplied by root 25. It will now be simple for you to finish. So, and root 9, two numbers that if we multiply, it will give us 9. And two numbers that if we multiply together, they must be the same to give us 25. You know that already. Which is what? This will now be 3 times what? 5. And 3 times 5 is what? 15. And this is the answer. So let's go to the options. Option A says 15, option B says 11, option C is 2.5, and option D is 25. So which one is the correct option? You have is A. Thank you. Yeah. So thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to join me as I eat my breakfast tomorrow.